Good morning, y'all. I just woke up. I feel pretty good. I know you're supposed to wake up and drink a lot of water, but when I wake up, I don't want to drink anything. I just want to go on my phone for a while. But I'm gonna go up to LA today, so I'll take you guys with me, see what we get ourselves into. Before I head up, I'm making an acai bowl. Here is everything that I use. All out here, I use this little mini blender, and this is actually a really delicious protein powder. So I will leave the recipe down below if you guys want to make it yourself, but it is so delicious. So let's make it for breakfast. Hello y'all, what's up? Oh, the light just turned green. I was at a red light. I was gonna introduce the video. Gotta run. Holy crap, y'all. I just had a margarita and some other drink. I don't even know what the hell it was. It was kind of gross. But I'm literally vibing, trying to bike ride in this bike lane. But I'm having such a good time. Happy Monday to y'all when you're watching this. Okay, I'm literally leaving LA, you guys. It said that it was gonna be 2 hours to get back to my place, but I'm just going to take the alternative route, which does include tolls, but it's only gonna be an hour, 10 minutes, so worth it. I don't know what it costs, but worth it. Also, the toll road is so pretty. It goes through the mountains in Orange County, like Newport Beach area. Gorgeous. I've hiked that before. Amazing. So yeah, we're currently en route, and even though it's a Sunday night at 8 o'clock, it is busy. Like, don't you all have to work? I know I have to work at 5:30 in the morning tomorrow, so I gotta get home and get to bed. But it's been a super fun day, so if I don't, we'll see what goes on. But if I don't check in with you guys, then thank you so much for watching and spending the day with me. I really had a lot of fun. Can't wait for more vlogs. Bye.